In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a doctor appointment form with Jotform. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First up, you want to head over to your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. If you're new to this, Jotform is an amazing tool that allows you to easily create forms, and it's very user-friendly. Once you find it in your search results, just click on the link and it will take you straight to the Jotform website. Next, you'll need to log in if you already have an account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Signing up is quick and painless. Just fill in your details, and you'll have your account set up in no time. Having an account will enable you to save your forms and access them at any time. Now that you're logged in, you'll see an option to create a new form. Click on Form to begin. Jotform provides you with two main options. You can start a form from scratch, or choose from their extensive library of templates. For this tutorial, you might want to start with a template, especially if you're looking for something specific like an appointment form. Jotform's library has plenty of options, and you'll find templates designed specifically for doctor appointments, which can save you a lot of time. If you prefer to flex your creative muscles and start from scratch, you've got a decision to make. Jotform offers two different formats: a classic form or a card form. A classic form displays all the questions on one page, making it easy for those who prefer seeing all their options at once. On the other hand, a card form shows one question per page, creating a more focused experience and guiding users step by step through the form. Consider who will be filling out your form and pick the style that best suits their needs. No matter which route you choose, Jotform makes it easy to customize your form with drag-and-drop options, adding fields like names, emails, appointment dates, and any other relevant information you need to collect from your patients. And there you have it. With Jotform, creating a doctor appointment form is both efficient and straightforward. Whether you opted for a template or crafted a form from scratch, you've set up a system that will help streamline the process of booking appointments, making life a bit easier for both you and your patients. Thanks for tuning in, and happy form building.